This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To change the default download destination in Vivaldi, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper left hand corner, up to where you see the V. I'm going to click on the little drop down there. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side here, I'm going to go down to where it says Downloads. I'm going to click on Downloads. And then right up here, download destination or your download location. It tells you where the default download location is for Vivaldi. You can change that by clicking on Select Folder and say that I wanted to change my download destination to my desktop. Right over here, I'm going to click on Desktop. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Select Folder. And now, as you can see, my download location has changed to my desktop. That is how to change the download destination in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.